Hello and welcome to Leaderboard, the daily masterclass for business. Today's theme is leadership development, and today's lesson is rise above the stress and noise. The courage to stand in front of a foreign crowd or a new team and present a plan of action with unflinching purpose is one of the fundamental roles of leadership. Even though it might get easier over time, you don't want to lose that edge that keeps it all real and helps you to relate to your audience. Leaders think differently. They are responsible for the actions of a wider circle of people, and so a wider range of consequences. If you have the capacity to assist, then you must offer some kind of guidance. The rigorous pursuit of principles is all a deeper part of the process. If you let go of your vision and principles, then you lose your shot at happiness through rational acts and virtue. You lose the opportunity to light the way ahead. Your focus and dedication should always be to the mission at hand. Leaders are constantly searching for successful paths and often blazing bright new trails. But success needs a vision, and the mission needs the concept of feeling a part of something bigger than yourself and experiencing challenges together. Standing tall in the face of managing daily issues requires a specific set of mental character traits. 1. Scheme-orientated. There are structured plans with clear targets, reference points, and defined outcomes. 2. Treatment focused. Apply yourself to a role that nurtures your team through active, healthy processes. 3. Recuperation related. Allow time for minds to deal with the ups and downs of daily stress and heal. 4. Emotional control. Monitor whether actions and words are well synchronized to the purpose of the task. 5. Solitude placement. You can only think clearly when you purposefully give yourself the space to breathe. 6. Satisfaction guaranteed. Shoot for progress over perfection and always seek simple steps forward. Leadership is about expanding skill sets and stretching yourself. At the same time as the quality of your habits will define your success, you may also have to distance yourself from your processes. Thoughts are not actions, and dedication to the goals allows the self its own place. This space protects you from the downside of challenge and success. Projections of negativity and personal attacks are common sleights of hand that occur behind the curtain. Not everything important happens on the stage of life in sight and in light. If you care too much about opinions, then you give away your power. The principles of the mission always have a higher value than the relevance of feelings. Some people will try to steal your fire. Their unstable nature is such that they are subject to the whims of their ego. Leaders have the duty to develop their awareness enough to break early with unhealthy relationships so that better, more grounded connections can be founded. Those who can't control themselves will seek to control others to balance their sense of incompleteness. Value your position. Know your purpose. Seek sustainability. Influence your audience. You can't lead if you are too dependent on opinions. Stay task-orientated and future-focused. And don't forget to bring the joy. Thank you very much for taking time today to go through Leaderboard, the daily masterclass for business. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.